everybody, my name is Aidan, and this is just the beginning of a new series on my channel. The series is me building things like this right here. This is a Tesla Coil. Now, if you don't know, sorry, my nose is acting up today. So if you don't know what a Tesla Coil is, it's so I don't remember the name of the inventor. What was the inventor's name?
Nikola.
Okay.
Nikola Tesla.
Nikola Tesla?
Nikola Tesla.
Nikola Tesla. He was going to build a ginormous Tesla coil, I guess, to give power to almost everything. So we're basically making a tiny replica of what he was going to do. Now, Tesla coil is, I don't know if you have it, I have one. It's like a big thing. Well, it's not really big. They make miniature ones, and it's like a thing that shoots off electricity. Now, this kit is, before we get into the stuff that this kit includes, so me and my dad wanted to start building a huge one in the garage, and that was going to be the first video for the series. But then we decided to start out small to see how this thing works. So this kit includes the base. This is like electricity will be in here, and it will shoot up for this into this right here. Now there's going to be a wire coming off of this bit right here, and that's going to shoot out electricity, a little tiny voltage of electricity. Now,
Actually pretty high powered.
Yeah.
Not really. It's a tiny arc, but high powered.
Yeah. So this kit includes a wire to make music. So if you plug this into here and you play music, the little voltage will follow along with the music. We got this fan thing here that I was showing you earlier. This actually stores electricity when it's turned on. Now, before I show you this, see all this blue that the Tesla coil is made out of? That's actually thousands of wires. Well, not thousands of them. That's the same wire going all the way down. Now, can you imagine having to build one of these and you had to take that strip of wire all the way down and make sure there were not any gaps? That would take forever. And this. Now, this is a European plug. I don't live in Europe. I live in America. So let's toss that in the bin. And I got a American plug. So that's pretty good.
They sent a 12 volt 1 amp plug, so we had to swap it out with something with the same tip.
This also
for the DC input.
And we got this plug. I think it's what turns it on.
That's the AC input.
Oh yeah, AC. Now these two wires here, the red and blue, will go into these tiny little squares in this red bit, almost like that.
Or green bit, you mean?
Yeah, green bit. What did I say?
Red.
And we got our...
But that sends AC power through the secondary coil.
So yeah. Then we got our extra tools. We got a screwdriver to do screwdriver things, I guess. We got 2 alligator clips. These are called alligator clips because they look like alligators.
We use that for the earth ground.
And then we got normal wires. All these you can buy in the store, including this American plug and the Tesla coil that we're building. We got green wire. It doesn't have to be green, I just pointed that out. We got a normal wire. That's a nice little golden wire that will actually go into this little circle thing right here, I think. Like that little hole right there.
Kind of around it, yeah.
Yeah. Then that will stick out like this, I think, and the electricity will come out the other end.
Right.
We also got wire strip, I think. Yeah, this is used to cut wires.
And strip them too.
And I guess a soldering. Yes.
One of the soldering iron.
I couldn't find a name. It's called a soldering thing. I don't know. I think it's just called soldering.
Soldering iron.
Oh yeah.
the iron.
So let's start building. Now, when this is all put together, it will look something like this. Or something. I don't know.
You got it. But we got a little bit of work to do, huh?
Yep, a lot of work. Alright, oh yeah, we got some other tools over here.
Just in case we need.
Yeah, in my dad's, is this yours?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. My dad has a lot of, cases that hold tools. Because he kind of does engineering stuff, I guess. Okay, let's build. You won't need all the supplies, but we got them, just in case.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolgino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolgino d'amor.
So we are back with our Tesla Coil. It is all finished. And we're actually doing this on our little bendy desk that me and my dad made. But this is it right here. We're going to play some music.
Well, first, let's just show them how it works.
So here it is.
Here's something cool though, watch this.
Okay. Yeah. now we're gonna play some music with this on the iPad that we have. It is Bendy and the Ink Machine song, Build Our Machine Piano Tutorial, which is basically MIDI art. Now you actually heard this in our Minecraft builds. We actually play this in our Minecraft build sometimes. Okay, are you ready? Warning, this is really loud, so you have been warned.
We broke a bulb.
What was that?
Broke a bulb.
What are you saying?
Okay, we have to hit that. Or, wait, no, you're right. We have to hit that.
Okay.
We'll have to clean that bulb up in a second now.
Okay. Are you ready? As I said, warning, this is really loud.
What's this one? You got that?
Got a little black mark on me now.
They all swear in signs.
But yeah, that is the Tesla Coil. Hope you enjoyed. And we will see you in the next building video.